Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper, the model builder, and we're building on with the red supercar that you see right here, the Lamborghini Countach. And last time I've done a little thing already, and I've got the clips for that to show you. But this is supposed to be built in stage 51, and I've already done that. Today we're doing 51 to 54, and I hope you enjoy it. So check out my channel, and there's quite some more and lovely builds there as well. So let's get straight into this build and get on with this beautiful Countach. So in stage 51 we get the dashboard and some speakers or ventilating grids, and that is it, what we get. But we are building that as I showed you, and have a look at the clip I made. Alright, we're getting the parts from 34, filter and metal hose. We've got a larger and a small one, and both are different in where they go in. It's on pretty darn good. Both of them on like so. What you call this? Radiator, the right radiator out. And we're putting the thick one into the point that we see right there. So that's one. Now we are going to get the car out and putting the interior on the side. And now we're going to put it on to this side here, maybe up a little bit higher, and we're going to put it right there. And that cable goes under, and these points go onto these points there, these points there, and we're going to put it on like so, and it will all be held down when we put the screws in. Now it's going to go loose. We want the hoses to the front. All right, that's a little bit hard with that thing in the way. Right down 2.6 times 4, 2.64 G screws. That's in properly. And on this side, you remember from the last time we had that, we're going to put that in now. And we need to have a good look, because it's going to be on this side here, pushed in from that point, as you can see right there. Or is it the other way around? Yeah, it's the straight one here. I think I've got the wrong one. I think I've got the wrong one. Let's get that one out. Or is it here? It's this one, the one from stage 35, if you can see that right there, not the one from 48. Is that correct? Yes. So from that point we're going down to a point right there. So if you can see this properly, it's going from the point up here down to that point. Now we're going to turn it around, and we're going to put this one in its place. If you can see, there's a D-shaped pattern there, so it must go into that one right there. That's in, as you can see right there, and this one will go into that point, I think. So from that point all the way there. Now we're going to get this one out, the one that I thought we had to use earlier. So we're going to get down there's something. That one's in. So it's going from the point down there with that radiator all the way up to this point. So I need to get a little bit of that paint off, because the other side is fine, but this side won't. Let's try it again. That one's in. And there you go, it's in there like so. That was a bit of a hassle, so I put it in, twisted it in, and then put that side in. So it keeps itself in like that. And I think these are in loose, but they need to go over, so we need to put them in, but that's fine. These are quite easy to put in. I did have a look at that cable that needed to go under, but that's fine. So that's this stage. Don't know which number it is anymore. That's stage 51 done, and we do have the dashboard. We haven't touched it though, but let's go on. We're taking the plate off, and I can't remember if I put any batteries in this one. So as you see, I already did, so we can close it up again. because they were asking us to put it in. I couldn't remember, that's such a long time ago. So we put the batteries in. We need to get stage 52 out, which is this incredible thing they've already made for us. Have a look at that, with a lot of switches in it. Unbelievably beautiful they've done this for us. I love it that they've done that in advance. So we need to get the little circuit board out. So I've got a little circuit board here, and they're asking us to take the battery box out, put that in with the little circuit board. 1, 2 and 3. Wow. The orange into switch as well. I will put them all in the wrong ones. So all these cables go into switches. Okay, now that is testing done, although we are missing the ignition key, which I couldn't find anywhere, but it may come somewhere and we'll find it. We're gonna put a sticker on from stage 47. It needs to go underneath right there, right underneath these orange lines here, right there. I think you can see it. Right there, there's a little sticker there. Well, let's put that there. Hope I find that ignition key, I really do. Then we get those out and those grids out, and have a look at how they are orientated, because they have a D-shaped pattern underneath, and that is what we have. Right there. Then we're going to get that steering column out. So you can see that shape there, that's there as well. So we're going to push it in like so, and we're most probably going to, I think I know, it's an E-screw 2.3 and then 4. Well, I'm going to leave it like that. It works, and that is 52 done as well. We're going to get the dashboard out. They've pre-installed some lights in that as well. No keys in there. I will check that thing again, just to make sure that I've not lost it into the LED tester. That one works, as you can see right there. Then let's put the other one in, and that one works as well, as you can see right there. So they have been tested. Let's get this one out, and we are going to put this right there, and we're going to put the cables through. Be very careful with those cables. Oh, well, you push it on like that, as you can see right there. It's pushed on neatly, and we don't need to do a whole lot more. But we do need to put some screws in, I think. They went in pretty darn fine. Okay, let's see. We're putting on 2.66. And that finishes off this whole dashboard area with that switch there. I do need to do something about that, because that is not tight enough. So, bubble check done, and that whole thing in there. Alright, so we're going to put this away as well. So this is stage 54. Yep, they're both in, or at least they're in on this side. Let's do this side as well. We've got those two together and put on those little thingies. All right, we're going to that little thing which has double-sided tape on it, and that is on as well, as you can see right there. And that is this stage done, and I think we've finished this pack as well. Yes, we have. That is this pack done. As you can see, we've tested light. We've made that dashboard, as you can see right there. We made that dashboard and we started that, and we made that whole switch area that is has been tested, put on, and we'll see if that really works, all of it. I'm pretty happy with how it looks. As you can see behind me, the other ones are doing fine as well. Porsche, the Miura, the Kit, the what have I? The Stratos. Oh, well, you can check out my channel. You can see which builds I have. Have a look at them, and join me next time on any of my other builds. So please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and join me next time on any of my other builds. See you next time. Bye bye.